guys, welcome to our brand new videos. Now today hope you are all good. Today in this video, I just bored and I'm going to show some feet and wearing white socks and tape for socks and little bit massage on our feet. I have one request for you. You guys are watching, but don't watch full video. Why? I don't know. I think my video is not perfect, but I will try my best to make video like best to best. But if any mistake, then you can tell me in comments. I'll improve myself in the next video. But I request you to watch full video and share for your friend and like on your status, because only 700 and maybe 90 subscriber. I just complete 1K subscriber and I need watch time complete. I think there's 1500 hours completed, but I need 300 watch time more to monetize our channel. When we upload amazing daily videos like membership videos and your custom request, like anything you want, I will make it. So first I request you to subscribe, like, share and watch full video. Okay guys, now let's start the video. First I take off my white socks and messy. After taking off socks, feel very relaxing. It's amazing. And if you want any custom video, then you can DM me on Instagram, Telegram channel, join Telegram channel. Link in available in post and maybe in description. I will update it. So join for custom videos. Now let's time to take off in a second. So finally, so relaxing, and I think it's free. Stretch. Now both feet are free. I think we will complete it. And, okay, guys, our video complete. And this time, my hands smelly after smell of socks in my hand. So our video completed. Now it's time to end our video. And again, I request you to please watch a full video. And if you don't subscribe it, then subscribe, like, share, comment. And suggest a bit different video ideas. If you have any amazing video idea, you can discuss on me in comments, or if you don't like to comment, then you can DM me on Instagram link in description, and you can join our Telegram channel also. You can contact me on Telegram, and just enjoy. Hope you enjoy the video, and comment, share your thought. I'll appreciate it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching again and again. Thanks for watching, and like, share, comment, subscribe it. So take care of yourself, and God bless you.